Hey y'all, this is Sarah. Welcome back to another DIY video on a Wednesday. Today we are going to be creating a busy board for my friend's son that just turned 1. Our busy board is composed of 1/2-inch plywood and 1x2 pine wood. We cut the 2 pieces of plywood to 24 inches and 22 3/8 inches. We cut 4 1x2s to 24 inches and 4 1x2s to 22 3/8 inches. Next, Brandon is starting to create the busy board box, so he used 2 of the different sizes of the 1x2s to create a rectangle. Brandon used corner clamps to secure the corners together. He pre-drilled the holes on each side and then placed the screws in with the drill. Once all the corners were secure, he placed the piece of plywood on the back of the rectangle and used screws to secure the plywood to the 1x2s. Once all the corners were secure, he placed the piece of plywood on the back of the rectangle and used screws to secure the plywood to the 1x2s. This busy board is going to be a box, so he repeated this process one more time to create the other side of the box. The next step was placing the hinges on the box so the box can open and close. Brandon used clamps to secure it in place and tried to make the box as even as possible. Brandon placed a handle on the other side of the box so that it can be easily carried as well. To finish the exterior of the box, Brandon placed latches at the top and the bottom of the handle side so that the box could latch close. Next, we got to focus on the interior of the box. The first step was placing the letters on the plywood. I will link the letters that we bought from Amazon in the description below. The final step was the fun part, which was buying all of the hardware. We went to Lowe's because we find that Lowe's is a lot cheaper than Home Depot when it comes to hardware. So we just placed them all randomly throughout. We did place them before screwing them in just to make sure that we liked the final look. But yeah, Brandon screwed everything in and this is the final product. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it inspires you to make your own busy board for a child in your life. I hope you have a good week and we'll see you next week. Take care.